Here in Dubai, we can go up to the top of there. Didn't you say it was like clear glass up there and you can look down? So it's clear glass up at the top. So we'll check back in once we get there.
Hey there. Hi. That's all I know. Way high. Yeah.
You're supposed to go to the frame. Here we are.
That's
We're
right.
here.
That's right. Oh my God. Where are you guys from?
Texas. I'm from
I'm
Texas.
from Florida.
What about
Okay.
you?
We're from Boston, but
Okay.
we winter in Florida. We're
Of
one of
course
those.
you
do. We're one of
course
those
you do.
horrible
Oh, no,
couple.
you're not. I
Where
love
are you
you.
from? Where?
Near the Space Center. Like 10 minutes
Oh,
away from the
okay.
Kennedy.
We're south. We don't bother you at all.
Yeah, that's right.
We drive right back. Except for once. We did.
Well, everybody that goes to Orlando bothers everybody.
Because of Disney World.
Oh God, help
This
us.
is a little like
This is
like
like Disney
Yes,
World.
yes.
A cross between Disney and
Okay, we're here.
So where are you? You didn't just come to Dubai.
No.
we went to Jordan. We went to
Jersey.
Jerusalem.
Hi.
Everyone, welcome to the present school.
Talk about a culture shock.
So right now, you are all on the top of the frame. This is 150 meters high or 48 floors. On your left, you will see Old Dubai, or Old City. The opposite side is New Dubai.
City, okay.
You can also walk through our smart glass, wherein you will see the real or the actual view from the ground, but not allowed to sit and lie down.
Okay.
After you finish your experience, the exit will be on the opposite side. Then you will go down to the future.
Okay, thank you. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so this is the top. Look at that side. There's a plane taking off. We went up there yesterday.
Yeah, we did too.
So what did you think about it?
Loved it.
There was a lot of people.
Wow. Where is that?
Look at the ceiling.
How many floors up was
Can't remember. Maybe. Can't remember. Have it on video. So this, they said, is the future. I think right here.
Let's go to one damn
I think we have to cut. It's kind of confusing. I'm like, is it working?
It goes faster once you get on.
كلمتين يتقالوا منه ولا عنه بتطمن قلبي اللي مشغول عاللي غايب لسه فاكر كل كلمة قالها ليا، همسة وكلام شفايفه كل ليلة، ده اللي زيه مش كتير في الدنيا دي، بتطمن قلبي اللي مشغول عاللي جاي. That's it. Thank you.
Welcome to the Dhow boat cruise Dubai.
Mind your head, please. Okay? Mind your head, please.
Thank you. Thank you. So we are currently on the Dhow boat cruise. We're cruising along here. And we're just going to dinner, so we're just to eat here.
Come on,
So dinner is buffet style, so we just got our plate. That's the kind of boat that we're on right there. Dubai. I don't know if you can see, we're at the JW Marriott on the 5th floor, the view behind me here. This is our last day, and yes, I've come down with a cold, so I can hardly talk from being on the go the last 2 weeks. First week in Jordan and Jerusalem, this week in Dubai. And between the full 2 weeks, I've changed hotels. I counted last night, it was 8 times. Dubai has been wonderful. We started off in Abu Dhabi. We stayed at the Rose Hotel, which was amazing. I felt like a queen staying there. Everything was done in gold. Whenever you walked in, even from outside, everything smelled like rose. Food was really good there. Then we were 2 nights there in Abu Dhabi. We went to the Grand Mosque, which was an incredible experience, so an item off on my bucket list, check. And then just kind of sightseeing around that area. From there we went out to the desert. It was about a 2.5 hour drive to Arabian Nights. It was very bumpy once we got there, probably about the last 30 minutes, so be prepared for that if you go. But it's truly like a desert oasis. The food was really good there, probably the best we've had. And then they had like a belly dancing show as well. Rooms were really cute. We stayed in the Bedouin tents. So it was just really cute setup. We got there at sunset, got to see the sunset over the dunes. So we were there one night, and then we went into Dubai. That was about another 2.5 hour drive into Dubai, and we were staying at the JW Marriott. We're currently in room 5204, so we're on the 5th floor with the view. First day we did the desert safari camp. It was a lot of fun. We went on 4x4 jeeps, racing over the sand dunes, and then dinner and show. There was like fire dancers and belly dancers. The guy walking around the balcony, you could get your picture made. Camel riding, henna tattoo. That was the free design there. One of our increment designs, it cost more. It was between 45 and 90 AUDs. So I didn't do that, I just did the free one. So yesterday we had our Dubai city tour. So we started off at Palm Island, we went to the Atlantis and just saw all the sights, sounds of Dubai. I went to the Dubai Mall, we went up on the Berg, tallest building in the world. It was neat to see, but it was an experience. There was a lot of people, very rude people, and very crowded. So I was ready to be down. It was a little claustrophobic because there were so many people. But it took a whole 2 seconds to go up and then back down once you were through viewing at the top. JW Marriott food's not, I haven't been too impressed with the food here. I'm fixing to go down for breakfast. We have a free day today. I think we're going to go to the frame building and see out more, and then go back to the mall. And then we have the D-Show cruise tonight at 7:30, and then we head for the airport. Our flight leaves at, I think we get picked up at 11, and our flight leaves at 2:50 in the morning. And I'm so ready to be home. It's been a long, fun 2 weeks, but I'm sick. I'm ready to be home in bed, in my own bed. All right, catch up with you later. All right, bye.